Wagwan peeps, the boy send us here right now on the boulevard with a quick minute. Right now we're gonna chat to the people them, ask them some question, quick and fast, because guess what? The sun is hot. As you clearly can see your boy dressed down right now. I couldn't deal with it today, but look, we just give you a quick minute now. Chat to the people them, make them know Wagwan. Some people might call it tricky, some people might call it a sneaky question. Alright. So see where they are now, peeps in the street with a man called
Aaron.
Yeah man, as always. Alright, so big brother, the quick question I want to ask you is, if the past tense of win is won and the past tense of buy is bought, what is the past tense of wet?
Right. They don't have past tense, no have no past tense, no wet. No wet past tense. What you gonna say? What? I'm at home. What?
Alright, so you say you're sure about yourself, big brother?
No wet?
Wet.
You want you wetted?
Alright.
You want you wetted?
Alright, remember when you hear the boss say no? Wet. Past tense of wet is wet. When you hear that, ladies? Alright. Bravo, Wagwan.
I'm there.
Alright, quick question, bravo. Because I know man don't want to show him face.
Okay.
Alright, if the past tense of win, win is won, and the past tense of buy is bought, what is the past tense of wet?
I guess like still wet. Wet is wet. There is no past tense, no wet. You see where a dryer out of the wet, they dry.
Yeah.
So they're wet. They're on the soak. Wet, I guess. Wet.
Alright, my boss. Bless up. Yeah, my respect. Alright, peeps, over there with Shanti right now. What going on, Shanti?
I'm there.
Alright, so a simple question more I ask you now, Shanti. So, if the past tense of win is won and the past tense of buy is bought, what is the past tense of wet?
Dry.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're 100,000 million % sure?
Yeah. Yes.
So the past tense of wet is dry.
Yeah, dry.
Alright, so big up yourself, Shanti.